Hello, I'm Alex from MovinsEdition. Let me introduce you to the COLEHAAN Oxford item of the MovinsEdition series. It's a new product owned by MovinsEdition, and it's COLEHAAN Oxford among the ZeroGrand collection family. The ZeroGrand Oxfords from Haan are cushioned with all new footbed technology so you can enjoy superior comfort and exceptional style each time you lace up. It's the lightest Oxford shoe model in the world by COLEHAAN. It's a shoe with a flexible outsole on COLEHAAN's leather that smoothed Oxford's rigidity. COLEHAAN shoes that can be worn in any outfit, whether casual or formal. The highlight of these shoes is the outsole structure. It's soft with a brush that absorbs shock. ZeroGrand is a revolutionary merging of fashion and technology. Outsole, insole, and upper are all engineered for flexibility, lighter weight, and underfoot comfort. Injected spine outsole of extremely lightweight proprietary tri-density AVA cushioning foam with deep grooves mimics the natural motion of the foot. Suede uppers are smooth, supple, and stylish. The combination of comfort, ruggedness, and urbane style make it ideal for all-day wear. It goes easily from office to dinner to after party. ZeroGrand features Grand OS, a proprietary new engineering and design platform which brings unparalleled style and comfort to Haan products. The flexibility of Grand OS comes through the engineered insoles, outsoles, liners, and uppers that move with each step. Grand OS replaces the heavy steel shanks that have traditionally been used for support with an engineered cushioning compound that is stronger, more flexible, and longer lasting, reducing the overall weight and slimming down the shoe's outsole. This was a new product owned by MovinsEdition, and it was COLEHAANZeroGrand Oxford in the ZeroGrand collection family. It's the lightest Oxford model in the world by COLEHAAN, and it's a performance Oxford product with technology and functionality. Bye!